And so the interoception sense is the sense of being able to tell what's going on inside your body, so being kind of connected to your physiological processes. Yeah, I know, interesting. So this is something that with yoga meditation we can really tap into. We can focus our minds on areas of our body and enhance awareness, which is something that often we don't do because we're so distracted by things going on in the external world around us. So this is particularly useful in gut health and gut healing with yoga, because we can use our meditative yoga practice to really find out and explore how we are feeling inside, because it is difficult to feel what's going on in the gut, to really know what's happening in there, and we also have a lot of things going on in there that we can't control. They happen involuntarily. In fact, the muscular system in the intestines are involuntary smooth muscles. Okay, interoception though is kind of really being able to feel whether maybe the body needs maybe more or less movement. Maybe means that we can tell what kind of yoga positions are going to be good for us and what aren't going to be good for us, because sometimes in our yoga practice we just follow the instructor and feel like we should be doing something, it should be feeling good, but actually for you it just isn't. And I think it's really important that we build on this sense of interoception to really get started in our gut healing yoga. So this is really important for gut health, because we can also encourage a good relationship with the mind and the body through what we talked about in the previous video, the gut-brain axis. So building up this sense of interoception can really enhance the strength and efficiency of the gut-brain axis relationship. So using yoga and meditation to enhance your sense of interoception can really help to build on your gut-brain axis communication network and make it really work for you, settle it down, encourage the rest and digest system to engage so that we can rest, digest and heal in our yoga practice and beyond. And yes, and just feeling what's going on inside of our bodies, and not always just being really aware of what's going on everywhere else basically, or just what's happening in the mind. Okay, so this is a great place to start with your yoga practice for gut healing. And in fact in my workshops we start on week 1 with the week called Gut Feelings, which obviously is all about feeling what's going on inside. Okay, thank you for listening. Take care. Bye bye. I love you.